Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather, and today we're doing a product review from Aki Home. Now, Aki sent me this brand new ice cream maker for free so that I could review it and give you my honest opinion. So without further ado, let's start on this review adventure. This is my first one. I'm so excited. Let's go. Okay, first things first. Colorado today. Those of you in Colorado, give me a shout out. Coffee's always first. Always first. So it is barely lunchtime right now, but I was so excited to try this product after it arrived in my mail that I'm like, you know what? Ice cream for lunch is totally okay. So Aukey Home contacted me a couple months ago and asked me if I could review an air fryer of theirs. And because I love my air fryer so very much, I had to decline their offer, but I was so excited whenever they offered to give me this new, brand new ice cream maker. It's not even on their website yet. Like, this thing is brand stinking new. You and me were seeing it for the first time. Now, I did have to open it to put the bowl in the freezer, but everything else is still in its wrapper. So we're gonna open this and find out how it goes. So first of all, this packaging is phenomenal, very sturdy. It arrived in 2 boxes. So it was in this box and then another box. It came straight from Amazon. And in the top here, we have a couple manuals. So we have thank you, a little thank you card from Aki Home. You also have a quick start guide right here. So we're gonna actually go through the quick start guide. Important notes: the freezer bowl must be completely frozen before you begin, which I froze it a couple days ago so that we would be ready for this. Okay, let's just take this out and then we'll read the directions, because I'm super excited to see how this thing, like, I really did not take anything out but the bowl. And so I wanna see what's in here. There's the paddle. And this must be the lid. All right, let's read our quick start guide. Put freezer bowl into the freezer for at least 12 hours. It's fine, it's been there for several days. Prepare the ingredients according to the recipes and put them in a blender to stir in advance. Okay, so there are some recipes back here in the back of the book. Some of them look absolutely heavenly, but there wasn't really one for just a raspberry yogurt. So I kind of looked at everything and I'm like, okay, 200 milliliters of milk, 200 milliliters of heavy cream, and then 50 to 100 grams of sugar, depending on what recipe you're doing. So I followed those recipe directions. Otherwise, there wasn't really one in here that I could use, but you could use any recipe that you have for yogurt in this. It will work the same. But these are just the recipes that came in the book. So they have one for banana ice cream and raspberry frozen yogurt, but I didn't have enough frozen yogurt. I mean, I didn't have enough yogurt. Bleh. I need some more coffee. Hold on. Aki Home, send me a coffee maker. That'll get a lot of use here. Okay, I digress. Let's get our ingredients in. So, using their ratios, I'm gonna go ahead and get all of my ingredients into my blender. So I have 250 grams of berries, 100 grams of sugar, 100 grams of milk, no, 200 grams of milk, and we're gonna give that a mix first. And the reason is because once I put in the heavy cream and turn on blend, it's gonna kind of try to make whipped cream-ish, and I don't really want that. So I'm gonna blend this first. All right, that's all I'm gonna do. And then I am going to add in my heavy cream for just a minute, and I'm just gonna pulse just a couple seconds because I really don't want to create whipped cream inside of my mixture. So I'm just gonna pulse. Okay, we'll call that good. All right, next we take the freezer bowl out of the freezer. Ooh, oh, okay, that's cool. The lid locks on. Wow, okay, we'll take that off. Oh, let me install the little paddle. Perfect. And then let's look inside this very nice little housing. All right, let's plug in our machine. And here we have our bowl. Now I am not sure what this thing is. Oh, it looks like it needs to go underneath. Okay, hold on, hold on. It's to help lift the bowl out. That makes perfect sense now. So this is the lifter for the bowl. Put it right down inside. Okay, so everything's assembly is there. The running time 20 minutes is indicated automatically. Set the time according to the recipe. Oh, okay, hold on. Let me see what I should go for. Ice cream, 20 minutes. All right. It says it could be done anywhere between 20 and 40 minutes. So we'll start at 20 and then check it from there. Okay, so now that it's plugged in, it is preset to 20 minutes. If we wanted to do any more than 20, we would just have to add time like this. Unfortunately, the only way to reset the time is by unplugging and replugging back in, and now we are back to 20 minutes. So let's start. 20 minutes, ready, go. All right, so set the time according to the recipe, press the power button, let the paddle start working, then pour your ingredients in. All right, you ready to see this? Let's get a close camera up on this. All right, here we go. We open the lid like so, and now we're gonna pour it right in. All right, now that I've sufficiently made a mess, we'll shut it, and yeah, we'll be back here in 20 minutes to show you how it's going. All right, see ya. Ooh, that's good. I'll go have my coffee and maybe the house elves will come clean it up. The time is up. Let's check on our ice cream. So remember I said that I have two little buttons here that release the top. We will pull out the paddle. Oh my goodness, after 20 minutes, look how much ice cream. I'm so glad I didn't put any more in. Oh my goodness, this is almost bursting at the top. But look at that ice cream. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is so beautiful. Okay, so I'm just gonna taste it right out of the bowl because why not? Well, I know what I'm eating for lunch. Wow. Okay. Now to lift it out, you lift up on the awesome tabs so you don't freeze your hands off. And that is pretty fantastic. Wow. Okay, let's get a little scooper out and get some scoops of this. Oh, it's so perfect. The consistency of this is phenomenal. Wow. I'm impressed, you guys. I wasn't sure what I was gonna think about this, but wow. Now, I did read in the instructions that if you wanted harder ice cream, you would just chuck this in the freezer and then you would get harder ice cream. But soft serve is great for me. I'm trying to count to see how many servings this makes. So that's 1 to 6. There's 7 scoops, 8, 9, 10, 11, and there is enough in here to do a 12th scoop of ice cream. You know, that's a really awesome looking bowl of ice cream there. Wow. I am impressed. You know, Aki sent me this for free, and when people offer to send products for free, sometimes you're like, well, you know, check it out, see what it's all about. This one, since it was brand new, had no reviews, so I was really taking a shot in the dark. Oh, look, I could get more than 12. I was really taking a shot in the dark by having this be my first free product that I'd received for review. But I thought, you know what, it's ice cream. You can't really screw up an ice cream maker. No, but you can make it better. Like, this is really a phenomenal design here. I'm super impressed with this. Okay, that's 13 scoops. I can still get another one out of here. Look at, there's still more in there. And there's another one. Look at that. Well, you guys, color me impressed. You know, this is a fantastic looking machine. I would not hesitate to just leave it on my counter because it's stainless steel and my appliances are stainless steel. My family loves ice cream. So the only thing that I would wish for is a second bowl. So I may be contacting Aki and asking for a second bowl, because then whoever wanted to do ice cream for that day could take a bowl out, put their ingredients in, get that ice cream going, yet we'd still have another bowl for other individuals who are like, hey, are you going to eat all 15 of those scoops? No? Yes? Oh, then I'll make my own. You know what I'm saying? That is my only critique of this product. I'm pretty stoked with this machine. I am going to really enjoy getting to know this machine and using it in my kitchen. Cleanup will be interesting. I wonder, oh, it comes out. Actually, let me get some of this ice cream to my husband and then get the rest in the freezer, then we'll take it apart. Okay, now that that's taken care of, let's figure out how to get this apart. Oh, easy. That just comes right out. You pinch this and voila. Now you can wash this with no problem. All right. Well, I wonder if it's dishwasher safe. Let's check. The directions say no, just warm soapy water. But if you wash it right away, I'm sure it's gonna wash up in a snap. Let's just check. And done. In just a couple minutes, this is all washed and I will dry it up and get it ready for its next use, but I don't have many complaints. This material that it is made out of is very nice. You hear that? Really solid plastic. I'm not being careful with it. It doesn't feel fragile. The pins down here are actually metal, so the chances that they're going to break off are slim to none. And yeah, overall, I'm happy. I'm happy with this product, and I think that if you are in the market for a new ice cream maker for your family, this might be it. I will leave a link to this product in the description box and in the info below. I'll also pin a comment. Aki sent this to me for free, and honestly, I think I'm the winner. I know that they wanted me to do an honest product review, and this is a pretty phenomenal little machine. I'm excited to use it in my future, in my family's future. Well, tomorrow, tonight, I don't know. Actually, now I have to wait 12 hours because I only have one bowl. So I'm gonna dry this out. I'm gonna get it back into the freezer and maybe in 12 hours at 1 a.m. tomorrow, I'll do ice cream again. No judgment. No judgment. All right, you guys. Well, if you enjoyed that review video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to check out Aki Home and their wonderful ice cream maker coming soon, if it's not already out by the time this video comes out. So we'll see you on the next adventure and maybe another review. This was a home run. Thank you, Aki Home, for sending me this product and letting me make delicious, easy ice cream at home. So easy. All right, you guys, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.